Hi guys, it's Cindy. Today pupunta ako ng Daiso and I'm going to buy some stuff na pwedeng bilhin and pwedeng gamitin sa aking room. Kasi tulad ng sabi ko, hindi ko pa talaga lahat tapos bilhin yung aking mga gamit. So, ngayon lang ako nagka-time na lumabas and pumunta ng mall to buy some stuff. So, busy talaga ako ngayon. So, pupunta kami ngayon and I'm going to tour you inside of the Daiso store. Guys, we're on our way right now going to Daiso. So, yung Daiso na sa loob ng mall, so hindi nyo siya agad makikita. So, ngayon, medyo the weather is not good kasi it's raining and I really hate this. It's sobrang lamig kasi winter na dito sa San Francisco and I think sa around US. And I really hate this. I really hate going out like this. And ngayon lang yung araw na may time ako lumabas and gawin yung dapat kong gawin and tapusin. So, the Daiso is not that far in our house, so which is good. And before yung Daiso na sa labas ng mall, so now nasa loob na talaga siya ng mall. And I don't like it kasi maliit lang. And then yung before, I think last year, malaki talaga siya and marami kang pagpipilian and there's a lot of space and kompleto. Pero itong bago, napakaliit and there is no space talaga and konti lang yung binibenta nila. So now we're here na in JCPenney. So now nandito tayo sa JCPenney. We're going inside of this store. Yan sa loob ng Daiso and pakita ko sa inyo. And here is the Daiso store inside of the mall. And marami kayo makikita and very affordable and it's not that bad at all kasi $1.50 lang siya. Unlike pag pumunta ka ng ibang store, you have to spend a lot sa mga bibilhin mo. So I don't like it kasi i-design ko lang naman sa room ko. So I don't like to spend that kind of money. And may napili na ako pero hindi pa rin kumpleto and hindi pa rin ako satisfied sa nakuha ko. So, I'm just looking around kung anong makikita ko at anong magustuhan ko ng mga design kukunin ko. And also, meron rin silang mga design ng mga Christmas decoration. And I really need to buy that today kasi magde-design din ako kasi my husband bought a Christmas tree for me para sa bahay because I'm not going in Philippines until like March or April. So I told him like to buy one Christmas tree kasi ayaw ko na what do you call this, mag-emote ako this coming December and I really hate that. And medyo malungkot kasi hindi ako makaka-uwi but it's fine. And also, dito ko rin nabili lahat ng pinamili ko sa first haul ko sa Daiso. And I think I spent like $40, so which is not bad. I don't think so kung magkatulad yung price dito sa US and sa Pilipinas, but I think hindi talaga magkatulad. So I think sa Pilipinas is like $99 and here is $1.50. So if you convert mo sa Philippine money, it's like what do you call this, 150 pesos. Yun yung price. So konti lang naman yung difference. So itong section na to, like yung mga design, picture frame, and kung ano-ano mga design na gusto mong magamit sa loob ng bahay. And nakakuha na ako kanina ng actually 3 photo frame. And I really like it. It's color pink. Sa dami na pagpipilian, medyo nalilito ako ano kukunin ko. Pero itong red na to, gusto ko siya. Pero parang may nakita akong ibang kulay sa likod, which is gold color. And kukunin ko siya. Kasi gusto ko yung kulay. And gagamitin ko siya sa gitna ng wall ko. I-design ko siya sa gitna ng wall ko for my Christmas decoration. And yeah, let's go ahead sa ibang section. So, itong section na to, meron silang mask, Dead Sea mask, and cutics, and iba't ibang nilalagay sa mukha. Pero I'm really scared to use this kind of product kasi baka, you know, whatever. Basta hindi ko siya bibilhin. Maybe someday, pero sa ngayon, ayaw ko muna. Kasi what my plan is just to buy a stuff for my room. So, next time, baka bumili ako. And then, yeah, I asked one of staff right there. They said like it's really good, but takot ako. Pero next time, I will try. So, I'm in the section of Christmas decoration. And then, bibili ako ng Christmas ball na pang-design ko rin sa Christmas tree ko na maliit. And I think I'm gonna choose the gold one. And I think the red one too. Ayan. It's $50 din siya. What I know is like all the product of Daiso is $50, but I'm not sure sa ibang product talaga na meron sila. So, I'm in the section right now of hair thing. And then, may nakita ako na nagustuhan ko. Pero, titingnan ko kung bibilin ko. And this one is hair clip. Kasi magagamit ko siya for my hair sa bangs ko pag nag-makeup ako. So, which is good. And I think bibilin ko talaga siya kasi gusto ko yung kulay. And it's $1.50 also. $1.50. And hair turban, pag nagme-makeup ka rin, pwede mo rin gamitin. And for example, like, magwawash ka ng face mo, pwede mo rin siya gamitin. Para hindi masama yung bangs mo. Marami kasi ngayon, may nakita akong lip liner. I don't know kung maganda siyang gamitin, pero try ko rin i-review kung maganda siya. And then, I will tell you guys kung it will works for my lips. And ayan, in the shade of, different kind of shade ng lip liner. So guys, tapos na ako mamili sa Daiso. So, we're now in Elephant Bar in Daly City. It's a restaurant and bar. And I've been here like twice na ngayon. And I really like this bar. And ayan, Elephant Bar Restaurant. So guys, kain tayo. Medyo nagutom ako. Ito at umuulan pa rin, so ayaw ko muna lumabas and umuwi kasi napakalamig. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching my Daiso trip and I hope you like it. At kung nagustuhan niyo po yung video ko, just please don't forget to thumbs up. And also, if you like na updated sa aking video, just subscribe below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.